Hey guys, today we have the seated barbell shoulder press. I'm going to be doing 12 here. You want to adjust your seat so that it's easy for you to lift the bar off of the rack without having to overextend and injure yourself, and then also not too short where you're grabbing behind your head too much. So here, this is a good position for me. I'm going to make sure that my back is all the way against the backrest, and I'm going to actually put my head also against the back pad when I go to lift off for that extra support so I don't strain my neck. You're going to lift up, take your neck off of the pad, and you're going to bring the bar down slowly in front of your face, just under your chin, but don't go to the bottom of your chest. Too much of a stretch is actually going to take away the tension. And then don't dig your feet into the ground to press up because that takes away from the recruitment of your shoulders. So we want to use just your shoulders, not your legs. We're not training feet today. So make sure that you're controlling the movement up, keeping the core tight, keep the back to your pad. Don't let your body arch either. That's another way that the body will try to help you get the weight up, is arching that back to press up. And then re-rack your weight safely and carefully. And for a pro tip, use a slight bottom pause at the bottom of each rep to eliminate bounce.